I will always support you. Thank you so much, my sister Ritika Panta. Thank you so much for always support. It means a lot. I will join my mom, okay? After being 100 people, I will join my Nepal mom. Talk to her. I will join my Nepal mom. My mom Nepal, Nepali, I American, my father African. That's why I am Kali. I am black. You can see I am black. Yeah, my life is knowledgeable. Knowledgeable life. I learned this English for 4 hours. I learned this English for 4 hours. Do you know? 4 hours is a huge time. I got here my lost sister. I got here my Bill Gates Tulbaba. Tulbao means big father. Do you know what does Tulbao means? Big father. I'm in America. This background is my home background. This is America background. Home background, guys. This is my home background. I stay here. I don't know English before 4 hours, but after 4 hours, Bill Gates taught me. Bill Gates taught me English for 4 hours. It was not easy to learn English. I miss American. I miss American, guys. I stay here for 14 hours. Oh, sorry, 14 years. America. It's too cold in America, guys. It's too cold in America. Is there cold in Nepal? Nepal also cold, but America is too cold. This is a gift of Bill Gates. Hey, ut. Bill Gates gift. You wanna see? This is Bill Gates gift. It cost 1 crore in dollar. 1 crore in dollar. Bill Gates gift. So my Bill Gates is I don't know what. इङ्ग्लिस बोल्न आउँदैन थियो अनि अघि बिल गेट्स आएको थियो अनि बिल गेट्सले मलाई 4 घण्टा लगाएर इङ्ग्लिस सिकायो. देन आई लर्न इट. सो आई वान सेयर विथ यु गाइज बिकज आई वान्ट टु सुनाइङ्गा यु. So I want to share a little information with you. Information, you know, a little information with you so you can know about me. I start my life today. I share a very lot of things with you. Very lot of things. And I learned English today. I learned English today. English is not easy to learn. English is very hard. I am not Gauhadi. It's true. But you guys don't believe me. Because I know it was very. You can meet her. She is my mom.
Yeah.
What is that
Yeah.
effect, mom?
Yeah. Beautiful
She
image.
is in Nepal and I
Yeah.
am in America. So she is my mom. Say hello to my mom. My father is in Africa. My mom. Meet my mom. My father is in Africa. How many members, mom, your life? How many members? You don't understand English? कतिजना छन् लाइभमा? Only 3? Go and watch my mom live. My mom don't know English. I don't know English. I learned English for 4 hours. Hi everyone, my mom live को मान्छेहरु. Hi मेरो mom को live को मान्छेहरु सबैजनालाई हाई. Hi Nepalese people. I'm in America, you know Nepalese guys. Mom say hi to my 117 members. Sani mom, yeah, your Sani mom. My lost sister, your Sani mom. Mom, my mom is busy. Don't be busy, mom. I will cut your call. Say hi to my peoples. No, stay here. Say hi to my peoples. 108 people say hi. 112 people say hi, mom. Everyone wants to say hi to you.
English को
Say
नाममा
hi.
लिनाउनीसँग
Hi, say hi miss. Hi भन्नुस् सबैजनालाई. 120 जना हुनुहुन्छ सबैजनालाई हाई भनिदिनुस्. Because I learned English for 4 hours, mom. Bill Gates सिकाएंगा and goएंगा